Okay, so yan ang mga giveaways. Fresh from Korea. Okay, hello everyone. So today I'll be unboxing Manny Pacquiao's giveaways during his birthday. Okay, so first time ko ito siya makita and ma-encounter. So it's a Nipil brand. So nakalagay siya sa white paper bag na sobrang social. It's a product made in Korea. So let's see what's inside. Okay, so may naka-pouch siya. So Jinky and Nipil. So I guess bagong beauty product line ito ni Miss Jinky Pacquiao. So white caviar natural brightening mask. So ayan. So ang white caviar daw ay nakapagpapabata ng skin. It will make your skin looks younger and radiant. Then maka-whiten ito ng mga dark spots. Yan siya. So caviar extract 200,000 ppm. Yan siya. Okay, so mask siya. You can use it during night time before matulog. Then place it in your face 10 to 20 minutes. So in this pouch, ang laman is may 2 pieces na mask sa loob. Okay, so since dalawa kami ni Roy nag-attend, so dalawa rin yung giveaways namin. Yay! Okay, so the box. Let's see what's inside the box. Okay, so nakalagay dito Pacman Limited Edition. So, ano ito siya? Customized just for Senator Manny Pacquiao's birthday. So, may logo pa na MP. Original Prestige Caviar. Nutrition for Health and Beauty. Caviar Gin. Korean na siya. Green caviar and red ginseng. It's a product of Korea. It can enhance your inner beauty. So, 300 ml siya. 10 ml, then 30 sachets. So, 6-year red ginseng plus 15-year caviar. Okay, so may ano rito, may product specs sa likod ng box. Ayan siya. Ang iba naka-Korean. Okay, so sobrang social po. Okay, so here it is yung box niya sa loob. So parang ito, parang jacket lang niya. Then, let's open. Okay, so naka-sealed siya ng sticker. Nipil Original Surgeon Caviar. Caviar Cosmetic Company. Okay. So, let's open. Sharing! Okay. So, eto, may underliner siya na gold. It's white and gold. So, eto, may 3 boxes siya. Then, sa loob, I think, 10 pieces siya sa loob. 10 pieces pouch. Naka-pouch siya. Too small. Okay, so, as per research, the caviar extract nagko-contain ng antioxidant properties to protect skin against dangerous UVE and UVB rays. Okay, so yan. So, in short, pampabeauty ito. So, we need to drink this daw 1 to 2 times per day. So, 2 pouches siya per day. Yan siya. Okay, so yun siya guys. 10 pieces talaga siya per box. Then, 3 box, so 30 pieces. Naka-pouch siya. So, 30 pouches. Okay, so mag-drink ka daw ng 1 to 2 times per day. So, ito yung sikreto ni Madam Chinky kung bakit glowing and always look younger yung skin niya and free from wrinkles. Okay, so since may 2 box kami, so by the time na maubos namin yun, siguro gaganda na kami. Okay, so may 30 pieces. So, ang cute ng box nila guys, sobrang social. So, wala na talaga siya. Yun lang. Okay, so that's it guys. Thank you for watching. Okay, so if you like this video, don't forget to like, click subscribe, and please press the notification button for more updates. Thank you.